Hi guys, welcome to Bridgeton Investments. Nifty absolutely killed in today's market, because there was positive vibes around, India EU trade deal. Let me be very clear. Yeah, trade deal is very good, but isn't our majority of our forex reserves in dollars? Majority of our forex reserve is dollar. It was very volatile today. It was going in a crazy bull run. It made an insane crash. I thought that market didn't care about this trade deal. However, it was a very good recovery considering it was majorly bounded by this BEL's earning, which I am going to cover right now. However, Nifty did a very good job today. Uh, Nifty did a very good job today. Coming to my holdings as of today, uh, you know, majority of them were bounded by growth was bounded by International Gemroll India and this one Bharat Electronics. Bharat Electronics absolutely, this is what market should react to in long term. I saw that since its peak 5 years, it was overvalued. I saw this. Everybody were talking about this stock when it was valued at 585, and it was valued around 115 times his earnings. But nobody is talking. Even though it is crash, it's still performing great quarterly result. Look at this quarterly earnings. I calculated. Look at this earnings. Very good. Even if you look at the profits are also very good compared to year as well as quarter to quarter. If you look at this one thing, I opened it here. Yeah. If I look at the cash flow statement, consolidated balance sheet, cash reserve has increased now around 12. Around, I think, I have to calculate. I'll show when official earnings come in money control. But it did quite very good cash performance. When coming to its cash flow from operating activity. This is what matters the most when you're investing, considering how much of the profit is paper profit. Cash flow from operating activity was also, you can see it. You can see it here. You see it here. Cash flow from operating activity. This was also very great. Very good increase. Earnings were also very good. This puts a lot more confidence in me. About additional 10 shares. But I'm quite bullish on the stock. I regretted not buying it during yesterday's crash, but I was being precautious. I thought earnings wouldn't be as great. Now it validates to add more even to my BLS international position, because I am bullish in this stock as well. But I'm not sure why. One thing I'm not understanding. Even though there's great buying selling pressure, is saying there's an insane crash out. But however, when I'm looking at the order book, there's still good buying pressure here. I'm not sure why this crash is coming, but we'll see how, because I am bullish on BLS International this quarter. BEL, and coming to my favorite stock of all time in Indian markets, our Indian Palantir and Nvidia. Bharat Electronics again killed it. This growth was uh, mixed with two things here. First is India EU trade deal. How much it's also into semiconductor business. So how much of its business deals, considering how much of it will go to Europe, and exposure to European markets, and obviously the earnings play a crucial role. If I can open it, I'll show it in Grows AI. Uh, like here, I don't know why they're not. Yeah, here. BEL's Q3 FY26 review delivered. Look at this revenue. Uh, quarterly it 7,010 122 crores, 23% year to year, and versus 5. It's very good earnings for quarterly result. uh, if I can open even at strong performance around 7,000 or for 7 around 7,000 crore. Good earnings, compared to year as well as quarter to quarter. And profit wise, 21% year to year. Profit wise, very good as well, around 1,500, which beat year to year and quarter. I am super bullish on Bharat Electronics. I wish, a crash imminent is coming soon, because I want to accumulate more. This is what I want to preach here. Market should always react to fundamentals. Fundamentals is the king of the stock market, not some algos or I don't know, algos or some code written by one engineer. This should react to market. Fundamentals is always the king of the market. So very excited for earnings. I'm very happy. At least two of the stocks. I'm very happy considering the sell-off. You know, I am still invested in this mid cap. I've accumulated a lot of. I reduced my cash balance significantly. But anyways, we'll see how tomorrow market will react to. I'm bullish on Bharat Electronics and BL and IGI tomorrow as well. So that's it for me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.